Hello everyone, this is Anamika and welcome to my channel Wings of Bio. Today's topic is types of nutrition. You can say the modes of nutrition also. In the previous video, we have studied that what is nutrition. Here also quickly we can recall once. Nutrition is the process of providing energy into the body cell so they can carry out all the activities required to keep them alive. How do we get energy to do all the activities? We get energy from the nutrients. Nutrients means carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins, and the minerals. So, how do we get all these nutrients? Do we produce all these nutrients our own self? Is it? No. For getting all these nutrients, we and animals are directly and indirectly depend on the plants. Do plants also get food from the other sources? No. Plants make their own food. And this mode of nutrition we call autotrophic nutrition. We mode of nutrition in which organisms are able to build up their own organic food from the inorganic raw materials with the help of energy is called autotrophic nutrition. Later we will discuss that what is organic food and what kinds of inorganic materials are formed. And the organisms who perform the autotrophic nutrition are called autotrophs. Autotrophs is derived from the Greek word in which auto means self and the trophs means nutrition. So autotrophs means self-nutrition. Plants are able to make their own food. So they are also known as the producer. Nutrition is of two types, chemosynthesis and the second one is photosynthesis. So first we will talk about the chemosynthesis. Chemosynthesis is a Greek word in which chemia means chemical and synthesis means putting together. Some non-green bacteria like sulfur bacteria use chemical energy to manufacture their food. And this energy is derived from the chemical reaction which are occurred in the bacteria only. This process is called chemosynthesis. In the chemosynthetic bacteria, they don't require light as a source of energy. They need chemical energy to synthesize their food. You can say that the chemosynthesis is a mode of autotrophic nutrition in which external energy is required for synthesis of organic food is obtained from the chemical reaction. So here we'll understand by this picture. Here you can see that the conversion of carbon here you can see that the conversion of carbon into the sugar and the nutrients. Here conversion of carbon into the sugar and the nutrients. How? By the bacteria and in the dark places. They use the hydrogen gases, hydrogen sulfide and the methane as a sources of energy rather than the light. They don't use sunlight as a energy. they use this chemical hydrogen gas, hydrogen sulfide, and the methane as a sources of energy. Understood? One is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a biochemical process of manufacturing organic food by using inorganic material in the presence of chlorophyll and the sunlight. Okay, so here we will understand that what is organic food. Organic food means here C6H12O6. Organic food means sugar is formed, carbohydrate is formed. Okay, and the inorganic material means carbon dioxide and the water. Okay, so here now again we will understand that the plants make their own food in the presence of carbon dioxide and the water. They take chlorophyll from the leaf, okay, and the sunlight from the sun. They take carbon dioxide from the water and, excuse me, sorry, they take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and the water from the underground soil, and in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll they form a carbohydrate sugar, and the water and the oxygen is also released, also liberated as a byproduct. Okay, and this carbohydrate is used by us and the oxygen is also used by us. So what we have studied today, the types of autotrophic nutrition. So here there are two types of autotrophic nutritions are there. The first one is chemosynthesis and the second one is photosynthesis. In the chemosynthesis you can say that the chemosynthesis is a mode of autotrophic nutrition in which external energy is required. Okay, and here sunlight is required. In the photosynthesis, sunlight is required as a energy. Okay, so this was the topic today. Like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.